slide from left to right, but now I don't want to dance. I get too much on my... Alright, look. Athos skateboarding, skimboarding style.
And Hurricane, what? Which one is this?
Hurricane Nicole.
Oh my goodness. What the fuck? Far up there. Yo, we could skim that.
All my niggas strapped in, we tapped in, we trapping out the back end. That nigga tried to run, but my 40 blew his back end, he lacking. All he heard was boom, 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 boom. You heard doom, 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 doom. Then that chopper cleared the room. I sweep a nigga quick, grab a broom, grab a stick, grab a tool, grab a dick. I like to shoot and I don't miss. I don't really fuck with niggas, but I probably fuck this bitch. I clean a nigga quick, like I'm washing off a disco to his grave and take a piss. I'm disrespectful like a pimp. You see me walking with that shit, like when I step my hip it down. Probably walking with that shit, I'm wearing white tees every day. My do-rag hanging past my face, so I will never catch a case. Man, I can't believe these niggas, they be switching on they self. They blow up and sell they soul just to buy a designer belt. When I blow up, I'll buy a jet just to fly on it by myself. And I will never take a loan, cause I'm buying it all myself. All my niggas strapped in, we tapped in, we trapping out the back end. That nigga
You good? Oh no.
Boom, 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 boom. You heard doom, 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 doom. Then that chopper cleared the room. I can't lose, it seem like a young nigga always in first place. Put 5, 5, 6s in the K. He said one word and move his face. My niggas trapping every day, so don't worry about where they staying. We don't really like to sleep, cause that mean you taking a break and fuck that. I'm trying to stack this paper until I feel it's safer. Hold that. You cannot eat with me unless you saying grace, you know that. If that nigga with me, he always holding weight, we told that. If you speaking on me, you bout to hit the Greg and toe tag. Yeah, this the life of a young nigga from the mitten. They wanna be in that kitchen, I hate how my brothers living. I gotta put in that work, that keep putting niggas on shirts, that keep putting niggas in dirt. The last time you see him in church. All my niggas strapped in, we tapped in, we trapping out the back end. That nigga tried to